Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great time. Today we will focus on our reading skills. We will develop our reading skills. Please open your books on page 48 and try to pay attention as much as you can. We will start the lesson with a text that deals with problems and issues of Ned from Oxford. He has been writing about his problems, and now we will read his issues and the comments of the other people. What did they say? Try to read, please. My friend and I often copy stuff from the internet for our homework. Basically, we just change some words around to make it look a bit different. I know we shouldn't, but I never really understand why. If the information is correct, why is it wrong to copy it? Anyway, the teachers have caught her, but not me. I actually got a really good mark, and she's in big trouble. I don't know how or why it happened because we both use the same websites. We've been doing it for ages. Obviously, I've felt a bit bad since it happened, but what can I do? My friend says she won't tell on me and nobody else knows. The thing is, we aren't the only people who do it. I don't really know what to do. So, as you have seen, he has presented his problem about copying. He doesn't understand why is it wrong to copy. Let's see the other comments, what people said about this. Timbo Sheffield. I don't think you should do anything. What's the point? It just means two people get into trouble instead of one. And as you say, everyone does it. Let's see now what Northern Boy from Leeds commented. I think you should explain everything to your teacher and talk it through. You shouldn't get into trouble if you're honest about it this time and you don't do it again. Next, we have the comments of Amy15 Lincoln. I agree with you, Ned. I don't think it's wrong to copy from the net, but it is wrong to abandon your friends. That's why I think you should tell your teacher. Go on, you know I'm right. So we've seen here different students giving different opinions about Ned's issues. Now we will check our comprehension skills. As we read the text, we may understand something or we may gain something. We will see how understandable was the text. Match the beginnings 1 to 5 to the correct endings A to E to make true sentences. Ned's friend has been cheating for some time. 2. The teachers have caught her. 3. Timbo thinks Ned should do nothing. 4. Northern Boy thinks Ned has done wrong. 5. Amy15 thinks Ned should do something. So these were the lines from 1 to 5, which you are going to match with the lines from A to E. A, and he thinks he should tell a teacher. B, but the other two don't agree. C, because his friend is in trouble. D, and Ned has been doing the same. E, but they haven't caught him. Now, take your time and think about the sentences that we've presented here. Match them, the beginning with the ending. Let's start from number 1. What do you think? Which of the sentences from A to E fits with number 1? It's D. Ned's friend has been cheating for some time and Ned has been doing the same. Now let's go with number 2. The teachers have caught her. What is the other part of the sentence? The teachers have caught her, but they haven't caught him. Number 3, Timbo thinks Ned should do nothing. Which of the sentences from A to E fits in here? It's B. Timbo thinks Ned should do nothing, but the other two don't agree. Number 4, Northern boy thinks Ned has done wrong. Which is the other part of this sentence? The ending. It's A. Northern boy thinks Ned has done wrong and he thinks he should tell a teacher. Now we have the last sentence. Please find its match. Amy 15 thinks Ned should do something. So, of course, is the last one that has remained. Amy 15 thinks Ned should do something because his friend is in trouble. Discussion. We're going to discuss a topic about the things that we deal in our school and so on. I believe you may be at home and maybe you don't have contacts with your friends. But anyway, let's discuss with somebody who is close to you, maybe your sister, your brother, or your parents. You have to discuss about this topic. When you need some information, which do you prefer to use? A library or the internet? Why? Tell the class. Why would you use a library before the internet? Or vice versa? Tell the class. If you're not in the class, you may tell your parents or your siblings. Whoever is close to you, try to speak up, try to say something, try to argue your opinions. Homework. Write, why is it wrong to copy? You can write a short paragraph and argue your opinions about this topic. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed your reading time. We will see next week with the next lessons. Goodbye and enjoy your time.